Hi friends, it's Mads. In this video I'm going to show you how to do a half double crochet decrease as well as a half double crochet invisible decrease. We're going to begin with a regular decrease and we're going to turn 2 stitches into 1. To do this, we're going to yarn over like a normal half double crochet, work your hook into the next stitch like that, so you've got 2 loops plus the stitch on your hook. We're going to yarn over again and pull it through, but don't complete the half double crochet yet. Instead, we're going to yarn over again and we're going to work our hook into the next loop like that. So now we've got 4 loops on our hook plus the stitch, and we're going to yarn over again and pull that through. So we've currently got 5 loops on our hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're going to yarn over and pull it through all 5 loops on our hook. Like that, and that's how you do a regular half double crochet decrease. Now I'm just going to work a couple half double crochets to kind of separate this and the invisible half double crochet decrease. Now to do the invisible half double crochet decrease, we're going to yarn over. Now instead of putting our hook through the entire loop, we're just going to grab the front loop only of the next stitch and the stitch after that. So I find it useful to use the hook part of my hook to sort of go under the front loop only and just grab the front loop, and then go into the next stitch and do the same, so grab just the front loop. So you've currently got the original loop, the loop that you yarned over, and the 2 front loops of the next 2 stitches. And now I'm just going to pull yarn over and pull that through the front loops. So you're going to pull it through these 2 stitches on your hook like that. So now you have 3 loops on your hook, and now we're just going to complete the half double crochet. So we're just going to yarn over and pull it through these 3 loops, and that's how you do an invisible half double crochet decrease. I hope you found that useful. If you're interested in more tutorials, I will leave a link to that playlist down in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching.